8. Yes, dear sir. So we were doing 10.3 exercise, but I just want to recall, see from the beginning, if you see, right, your coordinate geometry is so wonderful. What we have done in the coordinate geometry so far now, please just can you recall the tips, ma, please? How many of you see this 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, all the concepts are over now. It's only the problem solving, right? So can you please recall what we have done so far in the coordinate geometry? Yes, one of you, please. One of you take the lead and explain it, ma, please. Yes, please, come on. What we have done so far in the coordinate geometry or straight lines rather, okay? Yes. Right, please tell me. One of you, please, you can take lead, ma, please. No, nothing wrong, just 1 point at least you can tell, please. 10.1 onwards, please tell me. Full coordinate geometry, whatever we have done, including 10th standard 1, please, come on. You have to enlist everything. Ma. Yeah, ma, yeah, please go on, go on. Please go on.
Sir, at first we studied the section formula, midpoint formula, distance formula, and area of triangle. And
wonderful, brother. And
centroid formula.
Yeah, brilliant, great. Okay, the distance formula, section formula, area of triangle, and the section formula in the midpoint formula, and then centroid formula. Brilliant, very good, excellent. Distance formula in the, of course, applications of distance formula, and the collinearity also we studied, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, collinearity, by using the distance formula, we did a collinearity, right? And we did the area of a triangle also, we can do the collinearity, right? Brilliant, well, that's great. Okay, nice. Next part. Yes, anybody, please? One more, please attempt, okay? Yeah, yes. Yes, please. So don't simply sit, ma, please. You have to answer, please.
Sir, what is the equation of a line in different conditions?
See, ma, 10.1 one more interesting one. This is the 10th standard stuff, ma. The 11th standard stuff is this one. What is that, ma? Can anybody tell, please? 10.1, very excellent. Slope formula, ma. Slope is tan theta. Slope is denoted by m and it is tan theta. What is theta is called, ma, please? Anybody? Inclination of a line with positive x-axis, meaning angle is measured from the x-axis in an anti-clockwise direction from the x-axis. Theta is measured in anti-clockwise direction from x-axis, my dears. Wow. Brilliant, brilliant. Come on, next one, next. Slope we have done. What is the other formula for slope, ma, when 2 points are given? 2 points are given. What is the slope, dears? Any one of you, please.
y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, sir.
Brilliant. 2 points are given. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. One pointing. So slope is nothing but this by this. This on the y2 minus y1. This on the x2 minus x1. Please, I hope you are clear. That is the slope. Yes. Yes. What is the application of the slope? Area of a, sorry, collinearity we can do, right? Collinearity. How do you check the collinearity? A, B, C are 3 points on a line. 3 points on a line mark. So what do you do, dears? Tell me.
Slope of AB equal to slope of BC equal to slope of AC.
Brilliant, brilliant. That's slope of AB is equal to slope of BC is equal to slope of AC. Excellent, excellent. Very good. Because only one line is there, it's only one slope. Okay. That's the brilliant. Next one, next. What we have done in the 10.1 dears now. 10.1 we are talking now. Any more? Angle between the two lines, yes. Angle between the two lines. Tan theta is equals to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Yes or no, yes? What is this theta is? Angle between the two lines. We are talking about acute angle because it's a positive. Modulus is positive. Angle between the two lines. Are you able to see the board clearly? Yeah. Able to see, right? And able to hear fully, clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is your 10.1 years. Parna, how beautiful it is. How many concepts are there, Parna? These are not very, very old things. No? Distance formula, section formula, area of a triangle, and midpoint, centroid, etc., etc. And collinearity concept of area of a triangle, and this is both, okay? That's 10th standard stuff. Next, coming to 11th standard, slope formula. Slope is the new concept we are introducing. And the inclination, tan of the inclination is called slope marks. Tan of that angle. Angle is measured from the x-axis in an anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction, follow this. Anti-clockwise direction. Next step. Yes, so slope also can be measured when the 2 points are given. The 2 points are given, you can find out this is called x1, y1 and x2, y2. Are you all listening? Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
Sudarshan dear. Mohan. Gogul, why you are not opening your mouth? Yeah, why you are not today? I asked you questions. Yeah, please. 10.2 dears now. 10.2. Come on, Gogul, tell me dear. 10.2.
Types of expressing a line, general form into.
That's 10.3 dear. 10.2 is different forms of equations of line, right? Different forms of equations of line. Different forms of equation of a line. Sorry, equation of a line, please. What are the different forms of, what do you mean by equation of a line, dears? Can anybody say, what do we understand by equation of a line now? Please, come on.
Sir, description of the line.
Brilliant. See, the line is there. Line has got a slope is the main feature of the line. This is the line, right? Main feature of the line is, this is x-axis and y-axis, and this is the line. So this theta, then you get a tan theta is the slope. So you are describing the line array, how much slope it has, and where it is intersecting the x-axis, where it is intersecting the y-axis or x-axis. All these details you are going to get from the line. See, different lines are there. It's not just one type of a line, right? Depends on what is given to you. You have, yes, come on. What are those different types of lines, please? Different types of lines, please. Come on. Different equations for line, please. Anybody?
Slope intercept form.
Intercept
Intercept form.
Intercept form means what? M and C are the parameters. M and C are the parameters. What is the equation here? Please tell me.
Y equal to mx plus c.
Hey, great, yeah, great, yeah. Nice, very nice. B. What is second equation? Google, tell me. Second form here.
Y equal to m into x minus d.
Oh, that is slope and this is called slope and y-intercept, Maidi. Yeah, excellent here, excellent. So y equal to m x minus d, correct part? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Slope and this is called x-intercept, yes. This is in this case, this is the y-intercept, okay? This is also x-intercept. Only one of them will be given. If x-intercept is given, this is the formula. If y-intercept is given, this is the formula. C is called x-intercept and D is called y-intercept. Don't get confused. We don't use this. We don't use this. Go for this. Y is mx plus c. Brilliant one, dears. But you should also have the capacity to write even x-intercept is given, how to build a line of this. Okay, dears. Slope intercept form. Next form, dears. Next form B. Mohan.
Intercept form.
Yeah. Anybody, take it forward. Yes.
Intercept form, sir.
Oh, intercept form. Okay, no issues, please. Intercept. What is the intercept form means? What do you mean, please? Both x-intercept and y-intercept are given. This is x-intercept, this is y-intercept, this is a line. And this is a system, x-axis and y-axis. So this is called a comma 0. This length is a, this length is b. That is called x and y intercepts, my dears. Is it clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Come on, tell me the equation, Pakavi. Come on, tell me the equation, please.
X by A plus Y by B equal to 1.
That's great. Brilliant, Pa. Brilliant. Okay, next form, C. Anybody, please. Anybody,
2
please
point
take it up.
Point form, sir.
Point slope form, yes. Point slope form. Point is x1, y1, and slope is m. Come on, dears. Anybody? Yes, come on. Who will tell point slope form, please? See, y minus y1 by x minus x1 equal to m. Illa flat y minus y1 is m into x minus x1. Just listen to this and practice it. Now, once you know this, when the point kudta m can be written as y2 minus y1 by x2. That's all, yes. That's all. We should not consider them as they are different. M means what? y2 minus y1 by x2. Are you clear? Are they one and the same or not?
Yes, sir.
Are you watching, please, all of you, dears? Ram?
Yes, sir.
Ram? Where are you, Ram?
Sir.
Yeah. Okay, what is the last form, dears? What is the last form, dears?
normal form.
form.
Normal form. What is it, please? Come on, tell me. What do you mean by a normal form, please? What are the two parameters given? Here, 2 points are given. Here, point slope is given. Here, slope intercept is given. Here, both intercepts are given. Yeah. What is given a normal form here of a line?
Alpha and length of normal.
Alpha and length of the normal. What is length of the normal means what?
P.
Length of the normal from the horizon. Brilliant. Okay. So I will complete here now, please. Are you taking by everything? Are you writing it? This is synopsis of entire straight lines now we are giving. Before I go for 10.3. Yes. Normal form, please. Normal form, yes. What is the normal form, please? Alpha is given and what you said, P. Length of the normal from the horizon. This is a line. This is a line. And length of the normal, this is called O, M. This OM is called P. P is always positive. And also alpha is given. Alpha is what? What is the angle made by the normal with the x-axis? Angle made by the normal with the x-axis measured in the anti-clockwise direction. It goes without saying. Please understand this. Yes, so different forms of equations of a line is equation of a line is done now. Next is one more thing with regard to 10.1. With regard to 10.1, 10.2, 10.2 yes, this is 10.2. Yeah, this is 10.2. With regard 10.2, few more are there. What are those, please? Anybody? That's all, I think, right? Yeah, 10.2 is done. Yes. Next is 10.3, ma. What we have done in the 10.3, yes, please.
Sir, distance of a point from a line.
Before that, you are right. You are right. You are right. Okay, we'll go. No problem. Distance of a point from a line. Distance of a from a line. This is a brilliant concept, ma, please. Yes. Who will give a formula, please? Here. Google. Distance of a point. Point means what is this, ma? X1, Y1. And line is, what is the line here? AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. This is the line here. You can write big A. Nothing matters here, please. Yes. Who will answer this, ma? Distance of a point from a line. D equal to modulus.
ax1 plus d y1 plus c by root of a square plus b square.
Aha, brilliant. AX1 plus BY1 plus C whole divided by root of A square plus B square. Brilliant, my dear. Distance is always positive, ma, please. Yeah, this is 10.3, first one. Okay, second concept, ma, anybody?
Distance between parallel lines, sir.
Distance between two parallel lines. Distance between two parallel lines, ma. Two parallel lines. Come on. D. Okay. So, இதுக்கு வந்து line, இதுக்கு வந்து பாருங்க, this is your figure part. Let us take line is this, line, and this is a point. This is the length, ma. This is called length or distance, ma, please. Now, there are two parallel lines here, okay? This distance you wanted, ma, please. Yeah? Able to see? And what is the formula for distance, ma? What forms of equations we are taking two parallel lines? And what is the feature of the two parallel lines? Anybody, please? Tell me, please. What is the, we forgot, yeah. We forgot one more concept in the 10.1 under slope. Under slope. What is the slope of x-axis? Yes, ma, anybody? What is the slope of x-axis?
0, sir.
0, sir.
What is slope of y-axis?
Infinite.
Infinite. Why the slope of x-axis is 0? Anybody?
Theta is 0, sir.
Yes, sir.
Theta is 0, tan 0 is 0. Brilliant. Theta is 90, tan 90 is infinite. Therefore, y-axis of slope is not defined. Great, pa, great. Okay, that's the reason we have. Okay. What about slope? I forgot that this concept, right? Right. What about this? When the two lines are parallel, what is the feature of the slope regarding? Yeah, what is the feature of the slope for parallel lines, ma, please?
So
If
slope
two
of
lines
parallel
are-
lines would be equal.
If two lines are parallel, what is that feature of the slope for the lines?
Their slopes will be equal, sir.
Brilliant, sir. Brilliant. When the two lines are parallel, their slopes are same. Friends, then if the two lines are perpendicular, we forgot, see, beautiful concept we forgot, Paranga. Just I am carried, okay? You didn't remind me. You didn't remind me, please. Come on. If two lines are perpendicular, yes, what is the feature of slope?
Their product will be -1.
-1. Brilliant one. When the two lines are parallel, L1 is parallel to L2, which implies their slopes are equal. My M1 equal to M2. My L1 is perpendicular to L2. M1, M2 is -1. That means if the slope of first one is M1, M, the slope of first line is M, slope of second line is -1 by M. Therefore, this product will be -1. Yes, what a brilliant one, please. Somebody can message to Madhesh Lama, some, I think best friend, Sudarshan. Okay, fine. If he said I'll come only when I am free, sir, like that, he said. And he is able to come, he said he will come. Yes, ma, please come on. We'll come to this one. Can you please tell me now, please, what type of equations you have taken under parallel lines, ma, please? Distance between the two parallel lines and the lines, please, come on. What is the L1 and L2 DS? Why is in the story is very important. In the story, easier formula you can remember, DS. L2 ma, L2, what is the equation of second line, ma? Anybody?
Y equal to mx plus c2.
Brilliant. Because they are parallel line, their slopes are same. They are differ only in the formula. This is the parallel line, ma. This is a line L1. This is line L2. Now they are only different y-intercept formula. This is the y-intercept. This is another y-intercept formula. This intercept is C2 and this intercept is C1. Aha. That's why they are named MXY. This is same. MX same. They differ only in C1 and C2. Only y-intercepts are different when they are parallel. Then what is the distance between the two parallel lines? Anybody? Now you can remember easily, please. Yes.
C1 minus C2 divided by root of 1 plus m square.
Brilliant. This m is what? Common slope. The two lines have got the same m. Wow. They differ in only C1 and C2. What a beautiful derivation we have done for this. Normal form is normal form. What is the normal form for line DS? Anybody? What is the normal form here? Anybody? X cos alpha.
X cos alpha plus y sin alpha.
Y sin alpha is equal to P, sir.
That's also very nice, sir. And we have done anyway 10.3 last in the one thing, no issues. What is the introduction for 10.3 DS? Yes. We have entered from 10.2 to 10.3. 10.2 we have done different forms of equation of a line. ஒரு லைன் வந்து எத்தனை விதமா நம்ம எழுதலாம்? Slope intercept form. அதுல வந்து slope y intercept and slope x intercept. Then slope point slope form. Then intercept form. Then 2-point form. Then normal form. Okay? And the clue is that that's why I'm telling you what we have done in the 10.2 starting DS. Yes. Google?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the 10.3 introduction? What is that? Okay, you have given these two, fine, fantastic. You are given brilliant. What is the 10.3 introduction about? Conversion of or transformation of? Yeah.
General form to slope intercept and normal form.
Yes, wonderful. 10.3 A, B, and C. 10.3 C. What is that C? General form to slope intercept form, general form to intercept form, and general form to normal form. These are the three things. What is the general equation of a line? Sudarshan address illa. Sudarshan, yeah.
Yes, sir.
General form solraja. What is the general form of a line, please? What is the general? This is called general form of a line. So, what are we observing in the general form of this conversion? This conversion or transformation, please. The conversion level, what do you understand of this? The general form is ax plus by plus c. Illana big A in the மாதிரி எடுத்துக்கோங்க ஒன்னும் பிரச்சனை இல்ல மாட்டீங்க. 0 where a and b should not be simultaneously 0 ன்னு சொல்றாங்க. ரெண்டு ஒரே வாட்டி 0 ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா a and b then there won't be a line. Yes or no? A0 B0 then where is line, right? Line means what? It should be in terms of x and y, at least in x, at least in y. Right? So they say that side A and B should not be simultaneously 0. Okay? At least you can have one of them 0, but not both simultaneously. Simultaneously, please understand, these are the very key things now. Simultaneously, both A and B should not be 0. This is called general form, please. For general form to slope intercept form, now what is slope and what is intercept, please? See, dears, you are converting this into y is mx plus c, dears, correct? Tell me what is m and what is c, please. Anybody? Very, very interesting. It's not easy, please. It's not easy. We have done it. Ax plus by plus c, and now y is mx plus c. Matranga. By equal to minus ax and minus c. Y equal to minus a by bx plus c by minus c by b, ds. This is called slope and this is called y-intercept, ds. So slope is called minus a by b. 2x plus 3y equal to 5. This is the line. Can anybody tell what is the slope here? What is the slope here? Minus a by b. Minus a by b. A and b. Minus a. Brilliant. Y-intercept na thana varum. Okay, please. You need not say. Anyway, minus c by b ma. Big C, sorry, small c equal to minus c by b. Big C by big b. Minus big C by wow. This is what we have done, yes. Next one, general form to intercept form. Can anybody tell what we have done there? Next one, again, ax plus by plus c equals to 0. And we are doing x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Friends, here, this small a equal to what and small b equal to what we are telling yes. Can anybody tell what is it, please? Minus c by a and minus c by b are the intercepts, okay? Small a and small b we are expressing in terms of general form, dears. Please understand this, dears. We are expressing in terms of general, whoever it is, let it be slope intercept form, let it be intercept form. We are expressing in terms of general. See, this is general one. This is general one. A, B, C. All these different forms we are expressing in terms of big A, big B, big C. Next part, please. Other way also, okay? Right? Yeah, this is the other way, right? Okay. Anyway, ax plus by plus c equals to 0, this one. And what we are taking on next one? Slope intercept and
Normal form.
yeah, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to PDS. So here, what is cos alpha? What is sin alpha? And what is P? These are very interesting. This is the only highlight of this. Come on, dears. Anybody, what is cos alpha, dears?
Sir, plus or minus a divided by root of a square plus b square.
Brilliant, sir. Next one. B by.
Plus
That's
or
it.
minus
B by.
Sir, plus or minus b by square root of a square plus b square. Sir.
Great, Mohan. What about P, ma? P?
So plus or minus c by square root of a square plus b square.
So இந்த மாதிரி லட்டு மாதிரி இருந்ததா மோகன் will open the mouth பாருங்க. Brilliant, at least yes, good, very nice. You yourself voluntarily came out. Brilliant, yeah, that's fine. So this is how pharma, how we have done. எத்தனை கான்செப்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு பாருங்க. Because this is going to be the fulcrum for your எந்த சாப்டர் பண்ணாலும் நீங்க this is going to be the fulcrum. நீங்க 12th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்ல வந்து எந்த லெசன் எடுத்தாலும் நீங்க go to differentiation, application of differentiation, go to integration, definite integration, application of integration. You have to have this one. Wherever application is there, we will be using this one. That's why this chapter is very, very critical. Very, very critical. Yes. All these formulas should be on the fingertips, please. Yes, and derivations also you should try to. I am telling you, please. சும்மா அப்படி ட்ரை பண்ணணும் அவ்வளவுதான். இந்த மாதிரி நீங்க அந்த கான்செப்ட் ஆஃப் doing the same thing, known things is not a great thing. Doing unknown things, entering into conquering the unknown, please. Conquering the unknown, that is real learning, my dears. Paruga how beautiful all these things are, please. 10.3 start pannunga. 10.3 paruga, so beautiful. You all have done it, please. Distance of a point from a line. This is the line, and this is the point. This distance you wanted. Wow, what a brilliant thing. And the line, அப்படியே எழுதிக்கோங்க. ax plus by plus c எழுதிட்டு x1 x1 போடுங்க, y பதில் y1 போடுங்க. What a nice one. And by root of a square plus b square. So சில டைம் வந்து நீங்க big A, big B எப்படி வேணாலும் நீங்க யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். big A யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். நீங்க வந்து big A, big B, big C by root of big A square and big B square. ஒன்னும் பிரச்சனை கிடையாது. Nothing wrong. Then distance between two parallel lines. Two lines are there. L1 and L2 both are in the slope intercept form. When the two lines are parallel, they differ only in their slopes are same. Their slopes are same. Wonderful, yes. So D equal to C1 minus C2 by root of 1 plus m square. That's brilliantly I done it, all of you, please. And then general form to or slope intercept form to general form or vice versa. M equal to minus a by b. I told you slope intercept form m and c are the parameters. Intercept form on a small a, small b are the parameters. And here the normal form on a cos alpha, sin alpha, and p are the parameters. So those parameters we are writing in terms of a, b, c. Here's only one small thing, please. This conversion is nothing but this is title in a book. You remember, please, what is the title? What are we doing in the exactly general form versus slope intercept? Then intercept form, then normal form. What we are doing here is we are writing the parameters of m and c. And a and b, and cos alpha, sin alpha, and p, all of them you are writing in terms of big A, big B, big C. This is the bottom line, yes. This is the bottom line, yes. If you don't know this thing, it becomes a bottleneck. Bottom line becomes bottleneck. Hurdle, right? This is the bottom line, yes. For this one. ஒரு statement remember பண்றது, அந்த statementக்கு தேவையான mathematical concept. It's not that you should know everything, please, but if you know this one, if you know m and c must be expressed in terms of ABC, a, small b in terms of big A, big B, big C, all these things, that will drive. You see, we are getting everything like this. How we are able to get it? Because you have to program. I have programmed it because, of course, I am teaching several times, so I have to develop the art. You don't require that. But Analo, I'll tell you, friends, you can score centum only when you are better than teacher. You please note this point. Last year you had an opportunity, but somehow exams are cancelled. So இப்போ வந்து very big opportunity in 12th standard. Let's not worry. Let's not think that exams will be cancelled even in 12th. This corona is, I think there is an end for it. There will be end. Already see whole India we are getting 31,000 cases. So nothing to worry about this pandemic. And you are going to go to school from I think September 1st, I believe. Nothing is going to happen. It's almost curtailed. That's why they are going to open slowly. I think in some of the states already schools are started. I think, right? Yes. So friends, நீங்க வந்து every chapter நீங்க இந்த மாதிரி எடுக்கணுமா? இந்த மாதிரி நீங்க synopsis எழுதணும். You should write the synopsis of each and every chapter. You should be better than a teacher, my dears. Then only you could score centum. Remember this point. If you want to get everything on the fingertips, பாருங்க, this is the title. Title தெரியணும், என்ன பண்றோம்ன்றது நமக்கு தெரியணும். What we are doing in this, that also very very important. இது இல்லாம you don't know, you will be writing the English. Please understand this. Very very interesting, very very interesting things. All these things, okay? Please, that's why you should always check yourself. If I take a straight line, can I take a straight line? If you want, you can do a video also, and we will send it for other groups also. We will put it in the what's this thing? The YouTube also. I will put it more, please. You do it. We make it. You see, it's after all, great exposure for us, right? You please do it. இல்லைன்னா ஒரு derivation பண்ணுங்க. ஏதோ ஒன்று, please. You make a video, no problem. Right. Anyway, so keep doing that, Mark. Keep doing that. It's very, very important for us. Even if you put in a WhatsApp status, it's a great thing, achievement for you, right? It's going to circulate among our all contacts. நீங்களும் NFO, video, நம்ம பண்ற video வந்து all of you put in your status. Whatever we are doing it, let your friends also watch it. Okay? Of course, your friends, but your friends will be there from different schools and different classes. Let them experience and so on. Right? Okay, ma? Wow, excellent. I think we took almost for our ma. How much time we took? Oh, almost 45 minutes, I think. My God. Great. So I never expected I will be doing this. I just casually took the session. Anyway, we have done a beautiful job, and the remaining time we will use it for completing the 10.3 part. Completing we don't know. We can complete it, but we'll start doing it, ma. Let's not worry about completion. Gogol, do you have any doubts there?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yeah, what are those, ma? Please tell me.
7th question, sir, and third.
Which one, ma?
7th.
One second. 7th question, ma. Okay, 7th. Let me first try for 7th one. Okay, ma. 7th one. So what is that, ma? 7th one. Where is that? Yeah. Yeah, 7th one is here. I'll write the question, dears. All of you watch here. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of a line parallel to the line. What is that line, ma? Line is given as 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0. Find the equation of a line. What is the equation of this line? This line is parallel to this line, ma. This is a line whose equation we wanted. Already they have given L2, ma. They are not parallel, nothing like that. Yeah, parallel, yes, absolutely parallel. So this line is 3x minus 4y plus 2 equal to 0, dear. Draw the figure, you understand better. Passing through the point, ma. Which one? This line, our line, whose equation we wanted to find this is line is passing through the point 2 comma minus 2 comma 3 ds. Minus 2 comma 3 ds. This is the story of the question ds. How beautiful it is. L1, whose equation we have to find out, is parallel to L2, whose equation is given, and our line is passing through minus 2 comma 3. This is what? Find the equation of the line parallel to this line and passing through. And means what? This line is, he's describing this line. See this, describing this line. Describing this line is parallel to this line, and this line is passing through this minus 2 comma 3. Passing through, please, English is very important. Passing through minus 2 comma 3. In the equation we have to find out, my dears. That's it, over. See, I told you dear, already or equation of a line point is already given now. Point and slope form over. Point is already given. So what is the, with respect to point, we have point slope and 2 point form. These are the two things are there, right? Rendavathu point over the custom. Easier in the line parallel means what? L1 slope of L1 is equal to slope of L2. Come on, dears. So this is L2 put the line. What is slope of L2 ma, please? What is M, dears? Come on, tell me here. What is M? Minus 3 by minus 4.
Minus 4.
Minus 4. That is called 3 by 4. This is the slope over. These two lines are parallel. Therefore, slope is 3 by 4, dears. Over. Slope is 3 by 4, point is given, point is given, slope is given. Write the equation, khatam ho gaya. Go on, how do you write the equation now, please? Y minus y1 by slope and point form. X minus x1 equal to m. Khatam. Google, are you watching?
Yes, sir.
Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1, this is called x1 y1, x1 y1, y minus 3 by x minus x1, x minus x1 is what ma? Minus 2 and a plus 2 item, slope is 3 by 4 pa, which implies cross multiplied, yes, 3 into x plus 2 ds, which implies 4y minus 12 equals to 3x plus 6 ds. Which implies L on answer 3x minus 4y plus 18 equals to 0. This is the equation of a line. Yes, that's all. Observe. This is a given line. This is a new line. They are same. Oh, they differ only in the C. Wow. You see it. They differ only in C. Note pankama. Please write it down, ma. Please write it. This is our ஒரு question கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா பாருங்க. I think I'll give a good clarity. This is the window for a problem. This is the window for our figure. This is the given question. This is the figure. And from the figure, once you know how to draw the figure, it's all a logic, dears. It's all logic, please. Problem solving is simple logic if you can catch with the concepts. By the point, this line is whose equation we have to find out is passing through minus 2 comma 3 ds. Therefore, point and slope form. I wrote point slope form or 2 point form. Rendavathu point varudhukku chance illa, 2 point form is rejected and dejected. Okay. So, point and slope form, when the two lines are parallel, the slopes are equal, friends. Here, if L1 is parallel to L2, implies slope of L1 is equal to slope of L2. So, SP form of a line. Wow. You now look at it. two lines are parallel. Given line is 3x minus 4y equal to 2. The new equation is 3x minus 4y is minus 18. Now this is called L1 and L2. These are called parallel lines, my dears. Parallel lines for the same. In the portion is same. If you don't understand, it is a shame. Please watch here. Is it clear, ma'am? Over?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I want to highlight this point, ma'am, please. What is that point? Once again, I will come to the problems later. You take this first, you complete it. If you are completed, I'll give a beautiful thing about when the two lines are parallel, how to write their equations. When the two lines are perpendicular, how to write their equations, yes, okay? I'll tell you. I'll give you now that, okay? Note, mark, please. I have taken this, yes. This is the solution, yes. Figure and solutions here. See, this is how you can format it. What we are doing here, this is here we are finding slope. How to find the slope of a line? General form. M equal to minus A by B. Array, come on. A is 3. Minus 3 by B is minus 4. Wow, see this. Yes or no, dears? So, slope is there, point is there, therefore it's a point slope form. See connections, how we are connecting it. Since two lines are parallel, the slopes are equal. That's why either a line or slope is 3 by 4. Na? In the line slope also 3 by 4. Na? That is called 3 by 4. So slope point form. You know the point is called minus 2, 3 and slope is called 3 by 4. So therefore we are putting it here and getting the line. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
நான் எழுதுற இந்த சொல்யூஷன் உங்களுக்கு கிளியரா இருக்குதா இல்லையான்றது. இல்ல நீங்க we are all accustomed for a lot of English in the solution, correct? There is no English here, please. That's the beauty of solving the array. This is the mathematics class. Math class means what? Less English, more mathematics. There is no English at all. Completely logic, completely sensible. If L1, L2 are parallel, implies slope of L1 is equal to slope of L2. You write it in the school, in the real exam, you write it, okay? SP form, equation of a line in the SP form. Idella neenga build up pannunga, okay? Nobody will ask you why you didn't write the English, ma, please, no. Is it clear, dears? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Seventh one we have done. Na inner point na solana I'm thinking two lines are parallel and two lines are perpendicular. Ma inda rendu point na solana not about the slopes. Ma equations neenga eppadi paakano. When they have given like this, ma, please understand this, dears. Ax plus by plus c equals to 0, c1 equal to 0. This is a line 1, ma. Let us first talk about L1 is parallel to L2, ds. Now you tell me what is L2, ma, please. Can anybody tell what is L2, ma, please?
Ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0.
Brilliant. These are the two lines parallel, means you should write the equations like this, ma, please. Done. Okay. Friends, L1 is perpendicular to L2, ma. How do you write the equation? One line is Ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0. Ma. What is the second line, ma? Anybody? This we haven't told, right? But another you can make it. One in ma, you write this is C2 and okay? C1, C2. But when the two lines are perpendicular, yes, here parallel lines slopes are same, therefore you are writing the same, this one is same. But here plus become minus, yes, and x and y coefficients will interchange x and y. In the x coefficient A will go to y and y coefficient B will come to x. This is the second line, please. Please. Look at this. Are you able to follow?
Yes,
Note
sir.
down here. Note down this. Come on, take it. Oh my God, last half an hour. Yeah, we'll try to do some questions. What is Google? What is the next doubt here?
Third subdivision in second one.
Okay, what third sum? Once again here,
Third
once again.
subdivision in second one, sir.
Okay,
Second
okay.
one,
Third sum. Got it. Third sum, second bit, right? Excellent. This you copied, Mohan? Are you copying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sudarshan? What happened to Jeevit and Ram? Both of them escaped. I don't know. Maybe found they have got data issues and other issues. Because since morning, I think they have classes. Particularly the commerce teacher, the Kartika madam, she conducts huge number of classes. She takes 2 sessions, I think, 2 subjects. So, and also very sincere teacher, she is. Kartika, fantastic and a very, very sincere teacher. And she is gelling with the students like anything. I am talking about our school only. Kavi, you know that? You know Kartika ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Fantastic teacher, young teacher, and very sincere to the core. And she will take a maximum number of classes. Anyway, right, good. Okay. So Ram, all of you tired, I know that. What time your classes are getting over, ma? Morning? I mean, afternoon, right? Afternoon, 3:30?
4:30, sir.
4:30. Continuous classes, pa? Continuous classes. I heard that for 12th standard classes will get over by 2:45 itself.
For us, computers, sir. 3 to 4:30.
Okay. Okay. Correct. But on the gap, is there any gap for you?
Yes, sir. 1 hour lunch break, sir.
Okay, that's it. Only after that, full of classes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so morning 8:30 to till what time? Morning 8:30 to 2 p.m.
4:15.
Yeah, nadu gap.
8:30, 12:30, sir. 12:35.
Okay, right.
2:25 to. Sir,
And
so
then
1:35. Sorry. No, sir. 1:35 to 2:15, sir.
Okay, one session. That's again 3:30 to 4:30, is it? Okay.
3:30 to 4:15.
Yeah. Wonderful, excellent. I know you are putting a lot of hard work. It's difficult. It's easy to say, but difficult to sit before these online classes. But you are really coping up anyway. That this online classes will get over, but it has got its own beauty, right? See, this pandemic has given in the app. This app is developed by our Indians. Now today it is finding a great attraction. Illana in the app think right? So everything is what necessity is the mother of invention. Necessity is the mother of invention. What a beautiful app they developed it. Teacher Mint, right? What is that called? Teach Mint app. It's developed by Indians, my dear. Zoom. We are helping the Chinese fellows. This is our app. That's why I'm using it. Zoom. We were using Zoom only the last year, right? 12th standard boy is there from Perambalur. He is a Sri Hari. That boy told, sir, this app is beautiful, sir, better than that. Please try using it. I was trying to use that. Even our principal has opposed it. I mean, use the Zoom only. I don't know, in Google Meet, now I want to use only our Indian app because we have to make them rich. Our Indian people should become, company should become rich. If you see the Zoom company is billions of dollars because across the world, Zoom is being used. The share price of the Zoom is very, very high. Zooming. Therefore, we don't want to contribute to the China fellows. They are aggressive fellows. They can any day they will hit us. Therefore, you have to ban this buying the Chinese products, please. You all should do that because they are very aggressive people. They are they are cheating type of people. Today, the whole world is suffering because of their misdeed. Right? They are that type of that Murugadas has done the movie called Elam Seventh Sense. Beautiful movie. How you created that concept, I don't know. Some 10 years back. What a beautiful movie has done it. This is the type of people they are. Therefore, we have to, as far as possible. Now Reliance is coming with a mobile also now. Okay, beautiful with the Microsoft. I think Microsoft they are tying up, so they are going to get the beautiful mobile for us. So hereafter, all these Oppo, Poppo, Vivo, all these phones has to go slowly. They have to phase out from India because they are such idiots. They can do anything for the economic welfare of their country. Only their richness. I don't know where they want to go with the taking richness. You should have values also, correct? So Chinese are this, please shun their products as far as possible, as much as possible, please. So that's why our app is a teachment. How beautiful it is, okay? It takes a little bit more data, but good features. We are able to record it. In Zoom, it is not there. It is there only in the system, but these people have brought it to mobile level. That is the beautiful technology. These people have done it. Okay, good. So third question, second bit. That's a brilliant one. Brilliant one. Third question, second bit. What is third question? Reduce the following equations into the normal form. Find their perpendicular distance from the horizon and angle between the perpendicular and the okay, fine, fantastic. Y equals to 2, right? Yeah, y minus 2 equal to 0, now y equal to 2. Fantastic, But what is our equation here? We have to find out alpha, right? Cos alpha, sin alpha, and then p, right? So here, friends, 0x plus 1y is equal to what, x minus 2 equal to 0. Y minus 2 equal to 0. 0x, x is absent. So your A is 0, B is 1, and C is minus 2. Google, over. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyway, what is P? P is what? Yes, plus or minus. Friends, இங்க என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் வருதுன்னா இந்த cos alpha sin alpha வந்து plus or minus இருக்குமா இது. Therefore, don't worry about cos alpha and sin alpha. P is always plus only, plus or minus we get the value in plus only. Friends, here C by root of a square plus b square. So P equals to plus or minus எழுதுக்கோங்க ஒண்ணும் பிரச்சனை இல்ல. C is what here? Minus 2 by root of a square 0 square plus 1 square. So P equal to இது வந்து minus இருக்குனால you take a minus because P is the distance. Clear, Arpit? Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So since there is a minus here, you take a minus because P ultimately it should be positive mark. 2 by 1 mark. 2 by 1. 0 square is 0. 1 square is 1. So root of 1 is 1. 2 by 1 it is 2 ds. Okay. P equal to 2. இது வேண்டாம். You shun this one. Come on, go for y equal to y minus 2 equal to 0 means what? Which implies y equal to 2. But is it right p only, right?
Yes, sir.
So is it right 0x plus y is equal to p or 2? You divide with 1 only because you wanted p only, right? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p ma. P is already 2 only. If p is not 2, we have to manipulate it. So your cos alpha, what is cos alpha, Kavi, and what is sin alpha, dears? Sin alpha is 1, cos alpha is 0, therefore alpha equal to pi by 2. Do you agree, ma?
Yes, sir.
X cos alpha, y sin alpha. Sin alpha is 1, cos alpha is 0, which implies alpha is pi by 2. Over there, t equal to 2 and alpha equal to pi by 2. Yes, Gogul, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you happy with this? Solution is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right, wonderful. Well, how beautiful this question is, okay? This is what we are doing. Wow, very nice, right? Very, very nice. So first you find out p ma. P is what? 2. Once p is 2, he has given y is 2. When y 2 kudukrana, y is given as 4 and kudukrana, then you should take 2 here, then y by 2 equal to an elsedo. Appo nama sin alpha is 1 by 2 and cos alpha is 0. In the matter of this. Okay? Anyway, it's not that. Purida, some of the Purida.
Yes, sir.
Very good, man. Please take this part. Take this. Please take it by. Just have drink and water. Clear, over?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, any other doubts, ma, please? All of you can ask the doubts now. I am telling you sincerely, please do the exercise sums. You should find the gaps. You should just try it. Nobody is doing it. Few of them are doing it. Only 2 people submitted. Gogul and Kavipriya. None of them. Try பண்ணுங்க. What worked examples பாருங்க. ஒரு question per day please at least. Sudarshan, Mohan, ஒரு நாளுக்கு ஒரு question மா please. ஏதாவது ஒரு time frame வெச்சுக்கோங்க, schedule வெச்சுக்கோங்க please. I shall do at least one worked example. And ஒரு worked example புரிஞ்சிக்கிட்டு then if I can do one sum in the exercise, then you will not leave it, man. This is such a contagious disease, my mathematics and once puridana, my God, you will not leave it, man. You will say that, hey, I'll take later, I'll take food later, okay, I'll come later. In the mari varum please. Such a fantastic, mad mathematics, okay. If you develop interest in it, you will keep doing it. So develop that, ma, please. Okay. Right. Other question, by any other question, please, which you feel difficult? You can go through the questions and ask me, please. Tomorrow also I will do this topic, ma. Tomorrow also I will do. Now 10.1, 10.2, 10.3 எல்லாம் சேர்த்து வந்து miscellaneous exercise இருக்கு பாருமா, miscellaneous exercise. Now we have a MCQs are there. Wonderful MCQs are there. We have to work out all these things. We will till this weekend. We will run this show. First, I'll complete 10.3. Then I'll go for miscellaneous. Then we'll go for MCQs from Agrawal. Okay, R.S. Agrawal. Yes. Please ask me other doubts, ma. Please. Kavi,
Sir,
any doubts?
16, sir.
Yes, ma.
16.
1 6, sir. Okay,
Yes.
done. Okay, I think this is a lot of English is given, right? Lengthy question it appears. Okay, good. Try panla. Yeah, 16th one. Pa. If P and Q are the lengths of the perpendiculars from the horizon to the lines. First line, x cos theta minus y sin theta is k cos 2 theta. And x secant theta, two lines are given, ma. Two lines in the normal form they are given. P and Q are the lengths of the perpendiculars, length of normals, perpendicular. Normal other pair, normal other name, perpendicular. Correct. This is called normal, dears. If this is a line, the curve on which the curve one, this is called tangent one. And this is called normal. Normal is nothing but what? Perpendicular tangent, right? Right? Okay. This is what you actually, the concept is here. Tangent and normal. Okay, இது வந்து 12th lo நீங்க படிப்பீங்க, even 11th also maybe occasion come, I think. Yeah. So friends, here two equations are given in the normal form. 16th one here, 16th one. I think we have gone too much. We have gone to the end of the book. I mean, end of the exercise. Almost 16, 17, 18 are there. 16th one, P is the length of the normal for first line. Length of the normal of first line. LON means what, ma? Length of normal. Q is the length of the normal, small q, length of normal of second line, ma. From the horizon. L1, length of the normal. Length of the normal from the horizon to L1. From the horizon to L2, pa, please. This is what is given, dears. Yes or no? And L1 is given as, what is L1, pa? X cos theta plus minus y sin theta is equals to k cos 2 theta, dears. Wow. L2 is equals to x sec theta minus plus y cosec theta is equals to k. Wow, what a question, dear. Respectively, prove that p square plus q square equals to p square plus 4q square is equals to k square. Wow, fantastic. Panala, try panala, okay? Okay. Friends, here he said that this is the normal form, right? This is the normal form. They said, right, P is the length of the normal from the horizon to L1. So I will take the L1 here. X cos theta plus y into sin of minus theta. Can I write my day? Sin of minus theta is what? What is the trigonometry you learned? Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. All of you heard of it?
Yes,
Cos
sir.
of theta is cos theta, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I can write here minus theta, no doubt. Cos of minus theta is cos theta only, right? Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. Fantastic. So friends, here now cos of minus 2 theta is also cos 2 theta. Yes or no? I can write k into cos of minus 2 theta. X is cos of minus theta. Y of sin of minus. Ipo paranga ninga. What is your alpha? Yes, alpha is what ma? Minus theta. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
What is the length of the normal? Length of the normal is k cos of minus 2 theta. Do you agree? That is called P, the length of the normal ds. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is P ds. Yes or no? Okay. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P ma. Now, what is alpha? Minus theta. Alpha is minus theta and P equals to k cos of minus 2 theta ds. Yes or no? So normal form, this is fantastic. P is done. P is done now. Friends, here let us go for this one now. Make it into cos. Make it into Q now. Q. This is called L1. This is called L2 ds. Let me do the second one. Now you know the P here. In the P substitute pannunga, Q we are going to find out. The substitute pannunga, you have to prove it as a k square. Take LHS, put P and Q here, and prove it as k square. Over. So x secant theta, right? And y cosec theta is equal to k, right? Okay, can I write x cos theta plus y by sin theta is equal to k pa?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You go for x sin theta plus y cos theta is equal to k sin theta cos theta. Can I write like this? Cross multiplied, yes? LCM?
Yes, sir.
You are able to see, right? Now you tell me, we wanted x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P, right?
Yes, sir.
So shall I write this one as x into sin theta can be written as cos of pi by 2 minus theta? Is equal to what ma? K sin theta cos theta mind. Okay, what? Numerical form. The sin theta one I am writing like this. Anyway, if you want to write theta as sin theta cos theta, okay, that's not a problem. Here one in the form called x cos alpha. X cos alpha. What is alpha, yes? Pi by 2 minus theta. What is Q ma? Q is what? K sin theta cos theta. Puriyadappa?
Yes, sir.
All of you able to follow this? Mohan, Sudarshan,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Google.
Yes, sir.
That's all there. You
Yes,
take
sir.
now LHS. You take LHS. LHS lo P oda value podunga, Q oda value podunga, and also dears, I'll tell you dears. Q equals to K sin theta cos theta. Can I divide with 2 and multiply with 2 ma? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is 2 sin theta cos theta ma? Sin 2 theta. In the cos 2 theta over. That's all yes. So cos of minus 2 theta is k cos 2 theta only. Okay, right? Fantastic. Over. Now you want to prove it, you take this, I will complete it. Okay, you take this part. Just note panikonga. That is note panikonga. It's a brilliant question. It is a real surprise to me. Very good. I didn't work out actually at the beginning. Note panikonga. Please take it now. Just to over, just you substitute for P, this one, and Q, This one over. You will get k square. Now, what a brilliant question, Pari. Nalla note, please read line by line. You please write it line by line. This is the question mark. This is the question, yes. This is the question, right? Then I took the first one now. Yedikanna sir, why did you write straight away like this? This is our standard normal form. Yes, this is the standard normal form, right? Now you will understand better, right? The standard normal form மாதிரி நம்ம எழுதுறோம். இதுக்கான மைனஸ் இருக்க பாருங்க. பட் என்ன இருக்கு, இங்க பிளஸ் இருக்குது. இந்த பிளஸ் வந்து நம்ம இந்த மைனஸ் வந்து பிளஸ்ஸா மாத்துறது எப்படின்னா, sin theta வந்து we can write minus y sin theta. I can change it to plus into y into sin of minus theta. Yes. Cos sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. Wow. Cos of minus 2 theta is nothing. Cos 2 theta. Nothing wrong there. Okay. Nothing wrong here. There's no need of putting minus over there. Okay. Now you compare it. Cos alpha is cos of minus alpha is minus theta, and p is what? Yes, p is cos of k cos 2 theta. Now that's very. This is what we wanted. Forget about this. Okay. We don't want this. Here also we don't want this. But to get the q, we are doing this process. This is terrible. This is terrible. You are able to see more clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Paranga, the k sin theta cos theta can be written as divide with 2, but because we know that 2 sin theta cos theta is what, ma? 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but sin 2 theta. This is called multiple angle formula in trigonometry. Of course, we will be doing it again once. Let us complete other topics, but trigonometry is very critical everywhere. That's why I did with trigonometry. Now you understand, Kavi. See the importance of this one, trigonometry.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now you go take the LHS. Yes, LHS you take it and complete my remaining part. That's all. See, I'll do that now. That part LHS. Yes. LHS. What is the LHS part? P square plus 4q square. What is PDS? P is k cos 2 theta whole square. 4. What is q? My q is k by 2 sin 2 theta. Now q square means what? K by 2 sin 2 theta. Yes. Yeah. This is called k square. Now you understood the story? 4 into k square by 4 sin square 2 theta. 4 cut. Now what is common for both? Take k square common. You get cos square 2 theta plus sin square 2 theta. Which standard you learned this one? What is this now?
1, sir.
So yeah, brilliant. K square into 1 is called k square now. Paranga, please. Hence, proved, my dears. That's all, Paranga. What a brilliant question, Paranga. My life is here. You understood, yes? So we have come to this. Then we went for second line. This is L2. This is L1. L1 we transform to normal form and then write P and alpha. L2 we transform normal form and write alpha and Q. That's all here. P and Q are ready. Substitute here. You get. I enjoyed it thoroughly. Right? Brilliant one for this. Yes, you take this, and I think if you have a doubts, we will do it. Ilana, one more question we will take up. If you have a doubt, you please ask me. Yes, that's good actually. We should go for the doubts. This is really connected to trigonometry. Really, trigonometry helps a lot here. இது தேவையில்லைமா, இது ஆக்சுவலா தேவையில்லை. But anyway, because you want to get the x coefficient should be cos, right? But sin is there. Therefore, sin theta can be written as cos of pi by 2 minus theta. So your alpha is, that's brilliant. Okay, that's brilliant. இங்க தேவையில்லை நமக்கு. This is called q, right? But p என்ன இது வந்து q ன்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்கமா இங்க. This is called qds. Length of the normal is q here. Here length of the normal is p. I hope it's clear, right? Q is, that's why it's a q, right? Q is this. That's what a brilliant story about this question. I'm very, very happy today, okay? Yes. Any more, ma? Any more? Ilana, we will wind up now, please. I think most of the people prefer to wind up, I think, correct? Have you taken theirs?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
visible? The board is visible?
Yes, sir.
Now it's visible, I think, properly. Yeah, I'm doing a little bit of alteration here. I want to move the board to till this end so that we can use this board effectively. Okay? I'm not using it now properly. I will do that. I am just my neighbor only that workers are there, good workers are there for this AC as well as all these works, they do it. Somehow that machine is not working, drilling machine is not working. So he is not coming. Shortly he will come and we will do that. Once that and also the mic problem, everything. If voice is better now, last compared to 10 days back, right? Now it's better, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So shall we now wind up, dears? Is it okay? So 10.3 வந்து நீங்க all difficult questions you start solving. You go through word example, Sudarshan. You should work out, you should work out here. Go through word example. Mohan, நான் சொல்றதுமா இந்த டியூஷன் கிளாஸஸ் மட்டும் ஒரு half an hour நீங்க you allocate it, please. Half an hour. More than enough. சும்மா light touch up. If you can afford to give more time, I will be very happy. Please find some time, at least do one single question per day. For this, you justify this also. Right, dears? Okay, pa, right. All the best, ma. Thank you very much, dears. We have done wonderful session today. I must salute you all. You are listening like live wire. You are all listening. Arpit, how was the class, dear?
Good, sir.
Good. You are enjoying. You are able to listen, absorb it, everything.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, great. So many things you see. 2 lines are parallel, how to write them. 2 lines are perpendicular, how to write them. That logic you need to catch up now. So many concepts you have done today, right? Etna concept 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, minimum 30, 40 things will be there if you list out properly, right? So we have done that, and then we have done this brilliant question. And earlier Google asked y minus 2, brilliant question it is. Normal form. See, what troubles us is only normal form, yes, okay? So that this question only, this also normal form only, and trigonometry. Brilliant, thank you very much, and an excellent class today. And keep working. Once again I say, try to at least SAR question keta nama answer panna mudiyuma. That you think enough, okay? I should answer, edo one point I should tell it. See, I am giving you open this thing. You yourself teach. This is what I openly told you. You please tell it. That you developed, yes. You don't get this opportunity everywhere, ma, please. Please get it. Please answer some questions. 1 or 2 questions at least per day. Mohan voluntarily came for that normal form to expressing cos alpha, sin alpha, and P. That's because if you understand certain things, you can open your mouth. கொஞ்சம் effort போடுங்க, please. You are all gems, okay? You can get it. There's nothing like a weak or strong. If you can put some work, you can transform your weakness into strength. Please understand this. So I hope all of you are working on that. Thank you very much, and see you again on when it is Wednesday and Friday evening again at 6:30, my dears. Precisely 1.5 hour பாருங்க. Precisely 6:30 we started. Now the time is, what is the time, Kavi? Tell me. 8. Exactly dot 8 varanga. Okay, I think now this is the right time to wind up. Thank you, Ma. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.